We begin with more fallout from the fears about spread of coronavirus. Memorial Health is adopting a strict new screening process for all visitors starting tomorrow. WSAV News 3's Ricardo Lewis is on your side tonight with the changes. He joins us with our top story.
Well, none of the patients at Memorial Health have tested positive for the coronavirus. Hospital administrators say they want to keep it that way. That's why they're making sure they stay ahead of this virus by implementing these new guidelines. The main goal is to protect patients, visitors, and caregivers. With the increasing numbers of those infected with the coronavirus and with some cases being spread via the community, Memorial Health is ramping up their safeguard systems.
Visitors and families can expect that they will be screened before they enter the physical building. So just outside of our entrances, we will have staff members who will meet them and greet them and find out why they're coming to the hospital.
These doors have been opening freely for visitors and patients seeking medical help, but that will change starting Thursday. Screeners will now be at 7 entrances. Dr. Stephen Thacker says in some cases, lax screening methods has led to some health professionals and others being exposed to the virus. Memorial Health hopes to avoid that by making visitors answer a series of questions before they are allowed entry.
Do you have fever? Do you have cough or trouble breathing or shortness of breath? And then also, still importantly, have you had travel to areas of the world where COVID-19 is still rapidly spreading?
And while there are no known cases of COVID-19 outside of Fulton County, Memorial Health is staying ahead of this virus. Thacker says it's a precaution, not a sign of panic. They're asking that you be honest during the screening process to protect everyone.
And the goal there is to ensure that those who might share or spread the virus get the care they need.
And Memorial Health is in contact with their sister hospitals in Chatham County and believe they will follow along with a similar plan. Ricardo Lewis, WSAV News 3, on your side.
Ricardo, thank you. We reached out to St. Joseph's Candler to find out what precautions they are taking in light of the coronavirus. Now, they told us they are currently screening patients for COVID-19 by asking about recent travel history or contact with people who might have traveled to countries with a sustained COVID-19 transmission. They are also checking patients for fever, cough, or shortness of breath.